The stellar stroll of Little Red Riding Hood. Little Red skipped through the cosmic wood, on her way to Grandma's as fast as she could. The planets spun round, the stars shone so bright, the universe twinkled. An awe-inspiring sight. A wolf blinked into view, right out of the black. "Oh, what a delightful celestial snack!" He grinned a wicked grin and licked his chops, dreaming of an appetizing earthling to swap. Red noticed the wolf and his ravenous glare. She knew she must act with the utmost of care. "Dear wolf," Red declared, "I see your intent. But I won't be your dinner. Not one little dent. For I am protected by the infinite skies. The cosmos won't let you devour me as a prize. The heavens surround us, we're part of it all. From the grandest of galaxies to the tiniest ball." The wolf paused and pondered this curious thought. Perhaps eating Red was not what he ought. We all share the universe, the big and the small, the predator, the prey, the short and the tall. So the wolf slunk away, his hunger abated, while Red skipped along, her joy unabated. For we're all made of stardust, or so it is said, the wolf and Red Riding Hood, just like the bread. The universe connects us, both far and both near. So let's cherish each other while we are still here. Every creature belongs in this cosmic terrain. From the mighty to humble, let harmony reign.